Hi, everybody. We are going to start H1 section for our SWR. First thing I want to make sure is that you add R to your multi-letter phonograms, okay? They kind of got out of order, and that's okay. Just make sure that you put all the ones that I send you through Jotnot. And then we want to, at this point, when you give them the words, you want to make sure you test them on Friday, because any words that they get wrong, 6 or more, they're not mastering it, so they have to go back to just phonograms and learning the phonograms. So once you teach these words from now on, test them, and whatever they miss, drill it. 2-letter A, they can end a word. 2-letter A, like in saw, and paw, and claw, and jaw, and that can end a word. The one that has AU is the one we cannot end a word, because English words do not end with IUV or J. Ch, sh, ch, like in child, k, like in Christmas, and sh, like in chef. E-A, ing, like in ring. Ooh-uh-oh, don't eat food you took from the floor. Ow-oh-ooh-ah. And okay, those are the reviewing ones. And we have new words, or I'm sorry, multi-letter phonograms. This is sh, like in nation. We learned that today for Memorial Day, that Memorial Day is a national holiday, so sh. This one is sh, like in social. This is sh, zh, sh, sh, and zh, like in division. They said digression. I think that's a weird word for them. Maybe occasion, and zh for division. 3-letter ch. Okay, so those are the ones you're going to drill, and then we have the new ones that we're going to be learning with the water cycle, and you're going to add R to your multi-letter phonograms. Okay, so first thing is we're going to do H. I wrote it a little different for them when we did it today, just because I haven't taught it yet, so I wanted to make it a little easier. But how we do our A is down, then we come back up and do a curl. And this is H1. We'll add H1 over there next week, okay? The first word that we're going to do is his. It's a third person, right? So it's not I, you, it's his. Okay? One person, his. 1 syllable, 3 letters, 3 sounds. Is. Now this is S making its second sound, his. And this is a pronoun. It takes the place of a noun. So if I said, it's Eli's book, it's his book. So it's a pronoun. It's a noun, but it's taking the place of a proper noun. Okay? And it's making its second sound. S is making its second sound. Okay. Excuse me. Next word is just. 1 syllable, 4 letters, 4 sounds. J-a. Now, it's not going to be gutja, because gutja needs I or E to make the j sound. And J, starting a word, starts with j. J-a-st. You try it, and then once yours looks like mine, you can add it to your book. J-a-st. All first sounds, so no marking. Okay. Next is about. Now, language changes over time. Okay. Math does not. 2 + 2 is always going to be 4. But language, because we have different dialects, that means people say things different ways. Oftentimes, we used to spell words exactly the way we said them, and now we say things a little differently. So sometimes you have to think to spell. So we say about. We say it very casually. However, about A is really the proper way, or the first time. It's the exaggerated A. About. Out is in about. Out is in about. Out, 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 out is in about. So we're going to start. Remember, first syllable, right? Or if it ends a syllable, a vowel, it often makes its second sound. So A, bout. It is 5 letters, but only A, B, out. Okay? So it has 5 letters, but only 4 sounds. A, B, out. Out, oh, ooh, out, oh, ooh, okay? Making its first sound. A, bout. You try it, then when yours looks like mine, you do it. A, making its first sound, but it's ending a syllable, so that's just the rule. A, B, out, ow, oh, ooh, it's making its first sound, so we're just gonna underline out. About. The story is about Memorial Day. About. Okay, next word is much. 4 letters, 3 sounds. Okay, 1 syllable, much. 4 letters, but only 3 sounds. Sh, sh, much. Okay, so I'm gonna write it. When yours looks like mine, you write it. Sh. And it's making its first sound, so we're just gonna underline it, much. Okay, next word is ball, ball, A-A-ah, ball. All is in ball, all is in ball, all is in ball. And it's ending with an L, and we know that we often double an L after a single vowel at the end of a base word, ball. So B, A, O, 4 letters, but only 3 sounds, okay? The A is not an O, it's A-A-ah. It is the 3rd sound for the A, okay? So when yours looks like mine, you can write it in your book, but you try it first. B, A, O. 3rd sound, okay? Next word is law. 1 syllable, 3 letters, but only 2 sounds, okay? Do not break the law, okay? Law. 2-letter that can end a word like in jaw and claw and paw, okay? So you try it, then and then look at mine and see if it looks like mine, and then you can write it in your book neatly. Law. Tap connector. Then we're going to underline it. Okay. Law. Okay, and we can't use AU, remember? If we used AU, right, you cannot end a word. Okay. Then we have lay. 2-letter A that can end a word. 1 syllable, 3 letters, but only 2 sounds. A. The chick or the chicken can lay 1 egg a day. Lay. You write it, I'll write it. Lay. 1 syllable. A. And we're going to underline our 2-letter A that can end a word. Okay, and that is a verb, something you can do, right? Okay, soft, soft. Okay, soft, 1 syllable, 4 sounds, 4 phonograms. Soft, soft. The chick has soft feathers, soft, soft. And it is an adjective describing how something would feel, right? Okay. Soft, making all first sounds, so we do not need, do you want me to write that again? I'll do it again. Soft. Okay. Okay, and it's an adjective describing the opposite, or the antonym would be hard. A synonym, a word that means the same, would be maybe smooth. Okay. All right, our next word is path. Path, one syllable, but only 3 phonograms, okay? 4 letters, but only 3 phonograms. A, making its first sound. Path, we go along the path to get to the park. P, path. Path. Making its first sound, so no other markings are necessary. Okay? Okay. The last word is as. We skipped and sang as we took the path to the park. As. Okay? As. 2 letters, 2 phonograms, 1 syllable. As. We're not going to end a word with a Z. We're going to end it with the S, making it second sound. As. Second sound. As is making its second sound. Okay. Let's go over a couple of compound words. If we use the ball, what are some words that we can make with a compound word? Like, how about we use soft and ball? Soft ball. Right? 2 words making 1 word, right? Compound word. Okay. Another word is, what about football? Football. Compound word, 2 words put together to make 1 word. Football. We could do a pathway. Pathway. 2 words making 1 word. Okay. All right. Add R to your multi-letter phonogram page. Practice. 3-letter ch. This is sh, 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 like in, what did I say that I wanted to use it for? Ooh, the second one's division. Occasion. That's SI. So sh, sh. This is sh, sh. This is social. Shh, like in social. Shh, like in nation. Remember we talked about national holiday. Ow, oh, ooh, ooh, oh. Ing. A. 2-letter A that can end a word, like in law. And 2-letter A that can end a word. Okay, those are our phonograms for this session. The next week, we will do H1, the second half of it. Okay, you guys have a great day.